offers clear solutions to long-standing dilemmas in our fragmented system. Will rejection still be an option? Esteemed panel of judges, fellow debaters from the negative bench, and distinguished audience, good morning. 21st century problems require 21st century solutions. 3 points of arguments to discuss that AI tools full integration in the Philippine educational system straightly offers a highly beneficial advantage and preparation for a realistic and inevitable global development. First, AI tools full integration favors a flexible learning process, streamlining quality education. AI tools full integration is more than a tool. It is a reform that prepares students for the demands of the 21st century. In fact, a 2025 study by Veru and Petria shows that 95.6% of students consider AI effective in their academic activities, proving that AI adoption not only engages learners but also elevates academic performance. Contrary to the common belief that AI threatens the teaching profession, studies show the opposite. Fudalan in 2025 reveals that Filipino educators view AI not as a rival, but as a powerful ally that enhances teaching and learning. Supporting this, Hatmanto et al. In 2024, as cited by Co in 2025, found that even senior teachers, once skeptical, successfully used AI to personalize learning and improve student engagement. This proves that AI empowers educators rather than replaces them. Moreover, the strength of AI's flexibility and efficiency has already been proven during the COVID-19 pandemic and recent disaster-related class suspensions. When face-to-face learning was impossible, e-learning and AI-powered tools held education alive beyond the school premises. In fact, a 2025 study by the UP System Media and Communications Office affirms that full AI integration will fortify our education system with stronger policies and quality standards, ensuring that teachers and students remain equipped, empowered, and resilient no matter how unpredictable the world becomes. Which leads me to my second point of argument. Sustainability, equity, and innovation are championed through AI tools full integration. A diploma alone is no longer enough to protect Filipino graduates from an unpredictable, rapidly changing future. According to a 2023 PEAT study by Bautista and Aranas, what students really need are 21st century skills, the competencies that will allow them to adopt, innovate, and thrive in any circumstance. Think of this. Change is constant, and this includes a change in our jobs and businesses in the next coming years as technology is fully embraced by the system. The Future of Jobs Report 2025 and ASEAN Jobs 2030 reveal that technology is in transforming industries, with 86% of companies accelerating AI and information processing, making this not just a trend, but essential skills for employment in the ASEAN countries. This underscores that full AI integration in education is vital to prepare Filipino students to become competent and future-ready leaders in a digital-driven world. Further, the Philippine Development Plan from 2023 to 2028 stated that the Philippine education system needs a transformation. Multiple government initiatives already highlight AI as a priority in education, from DepEd's Education Center for AI Research to CHED's FieldChed Connect and Testes AI Prompting for Automation Level 3, making AI full integration a national priority will swift government action, equitable resource distribution, and sustainable digital innovation. All this can be achieved through my third and last point of argument. AI full integration is the lens of a future-ready Philippines. By introducing AI tools early through a phased implementation, the Philippine educational system can ensure quality, integrity, and continuous improvement. This approach allows for proper testing, ethical data governance, and sustainable research. AI research, all aligned with UNESCO's 2022 recommendation on the ethics of artificial intelligence. It guarantees that innovation serves education responsibly, empowering progress while protecting our values. Ladies and gentlemen, AI full integration is not a threat, it is an opportunity. It is the bridge between traditional teaching and the digital future our learners deserve. We have seen its power in times of crisis, its promise in empowering teachers, and its potential to drive innovation, equity, and progress. Finally, Omnia mutantur et nosco enis mutantur. All things are changing, and we change with them. Thank you.
Okay, the second speaker.